Hi, it's me again. I have another tutorial to share it with you guys, and this is for adult beanie, and I will be using a number 4 medium worsted weight yarn by Lion brand and a size I 5.5mm crochet hook. Okay, we are going to start with the magic ring. Wrap around yarn on your finger twice, remove the ring, and into the ring we are going to make 14 double crochet. Make a chain 3. This chain 3 is counted as the first double. Now we are going to make 13 double crochet more to complete the 14 double. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14. Okay, let's count 2 4 6 8 10 12 14. I'm over of 1, so you should have a 14 double crochet into the ring. And now we're going to close the ring. We're going to pull the inside strand, pull it from left to right halfway, and now we are going to pull the tail, pull it tight, and we are going to join it with slip stitch into the beginning chain 3. Now we are going to make a chain 3, and into the same stitch as joining we are going to make one more double. Okay, now we have 2 double crochet into the same stitch, and we are going to make 2 double crochet in each stitches around. Go ahead and work 2 double crochet in each stitches around. I finished my round and I have the total of 28 double crochet around. And now to join it with slip stitch on top of the beginning chain 3, and make a chain 3. Into the next double crochet we are going to make 2 double crochet. One double crochet into the next, 2 double crochet into the next. Go ahead and continue your round with 1 double crochet into the next, 2 double crochet into the next, 1 double crochet into the next. Finish your round and I will meet you for the joining. I finished my round and I have 42 double crochet around. And now to join it with slip stitch on top of the beginning chain 3. And for the next round we are going to make a chain 3, and into the next stitch we are going to make a V stitch, which is 1 double crochet, chain 1, and 1 double crochet into the same stitch. 1 double crochet, chain 1, and 1 double crochet. And we are going to skip the next stitch, and into the next 2 stitches we are going to make 1 V stitch in each. Skip the next one, V stitch into the next, and then V stitch into the next. Now we have the first group of V-stitch, and skip the next stitch, and into the next 2 stitches we're going to make 1 V-stitch in each. Skip the next stitch, V-stitch in each of the next 2 stitches. Skip the next stitch, V-stitch in each of the next 2 stitches. Go ahead and repeat this around, and I will meet you before the joining. I finished my round, and before we join, we still need to complete the first V-stitch. What we have to do is make 1 double crochet into the bottom of the beginning chain 3. So this is the beginning chain 3. At the bottom of it, we are going to make 1 double crochet, and then make a chain 1 and slip stitch on top of the beginning chain 3. Now we completed the beginning V-stitch. Okay, now we have 1, we are going to count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. We have 14 groups of 2 V-stitches, okay? And for the next round, we are going to make a chain 3, and into the next double crochet make 1 V-stitch, and we are going to skip the next 2 double crochet. This 2 double crochet, we are going to skip that, and into the next 2 double crochet we are going to make 1 V-stitch in each. Skip the next 2 double crochet, 1 V-stitch in each of the next 2 double crochet. Okay, now go ahead and complete your round. Go ahead and finish your round by repeating this. Skip the next 2 double crochet, and into the next 2 double crochet make 1 V-stitch in each. Okay, go ahead and repeat this around, and I will meet you before the joining. Okay, I complete my round, and before we join, we are going to complete the last V-stitch. Make 1 double crochet at the bottom of the beginning chain 3 of the round, 1 double crochet, and then chain 1 and slip stitch into the beginning chain 3. Okay, for the next round, we are going to continue for the body of the hat. We are going to repeat this last round that we just finished 8 more times, and don't forget to start your round with chain 3, and for the joining, make sure to complete the last V-stitch by making 1 double crochet at the bottom of at the base of the beginning chain 3, and then chain 1 and join. Alright, go ahead and repeat this last round 8 more times, and I will meet you for the next round. Okay guys, I finished my 8 rounds, and it has 8 inches long from crown to the bottom, and it has 20 to 22 inches in circumference. It fits from teens to adult, medium size adult. And if you want a larger size, you can just add a couple more rounds for the body. And don't worry about the circumference because this is a little bit stretchy. So if you want your hat a little bit longer, just add a couple more rounds of the these stitches for the body. It's up to you if how long would you like it. I prefer it 8 inches long only. So now we're going to start for the brim. For the brim, make a chain 1 and single crochet into the same stitch as joining. Single crochet into the next stitch, single crochet into the next chain 1 space, single crochet into the next stitch, single crochet into the next stitch, single crochet into the next chain 1 space, single crochet into the next stitch, and then single crochet into the next chain 1 space. Go ahead and finish your round with single crochet in each stitches around and in each spaces around. Okay, go ahead and finish your round and I will meet you for the joining. Okay guys, I finished the brim, the single crochet around, and I join it with slip stitch at the beginning single. And don't forget to wave the tail of your work later on. This is how the beanie look like now. This fits from teens to adults. And okay, I am making a matching scarf for this hat, but I'm not done yet, so I'm still halfway making it. But I am going to post the tutorial for this hat first, and then when I finish for the scarf, then I will be posting it as well. Okay, thank you for joining me guys. I hope you like it. I hope you enjoy making it, and see you again for the next video. Thank you. Bye bye.